How to fix one or more network protocols are missing error in Windows 10. To fix one or more network protocols are missing error in Windows 10, try 1. Check all network cables. 2. Check your internet connection. 3. Restore network protocols by running these two commands as admin. Netshare int ipset DNS netshare winsock reset 4. Use network troubleshooter. 5. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or reinstall the network drivers. 6. Disable any HTTPS scanning in your antivirus program.